Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off TikTok post notifications. Firstly, go on your profile section and then select the three dots icon on your right upper side. Right after that, click the third selection that says settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and looking for push notifications. Click on it. Then guys, here as you can see you have many options right there, but you need to choose the post for notifications. Just guys, go on this side and here as you can see you have customized updates and more. Turn off this, but this is not the main thing that you need to do on this side. The main thing is by typing on here the video updates also, which are here. You need just to go videos from account you follow, go on this side, unselect this also recommended live section, and also guys on the likes bar you go off, you go for direct messages. If it's on you need to go off. Also you have option for getting option by typing on the recommended live videos. Also you can get it for this one. And now guys, we have done it. We have turned on and off our TikTok post notifications. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.